Today I'm cooking a simple, fast and delicious choy sum soup with fish ball for dinner. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 200 grams of fish ball. For this recipe, I recommend to use a small size of fish ball like this. 370 grams of choy sum, washed and cut with the stem and the leaves separated. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic oil, which is optional for the soup with less oil, 1/2 tablespoon of crispy fried garlic, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of cut spring onions. I will be using 1 liter of water. All ingredients are ready. Let's cook. Switch on the heat. Add in 1 liter of water. Add in all of the salt, pepper, sesame oil, and oyster sauce. Give it a stir. Cover the lid and bring it to boil. After 3 minutes, the soup is boiling vigorously. Put in all of the choy sum stem. Add in all of the fish ball. Give it a stir. Cover the lid and allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the fish balls are cooked and the choy sum stems have softened. Now I can give it a taste. Very tasty. More seasoning can be added as preferred, but this is already delicious. Next, add in all of the choy sum leaves. Give it a stir and continue to cook for 1 more minute. Towards the end of the last minute, add in the garlic oil for a lovely garlicky fragrance. Again, this is optional. Alright, now we can dish out and serve. Top it with crispy fried garlic and spring onions. It is done. So simple and easy. The simple choy sum soup with fish ball is complete. Let's eat! Yummy! Soup is very tasty, sweet and fragrant. The fish balls are soft and delicious. Choy sum vegetable is sweet and crunchy. Perfect soup for main dish or side dish. And also a great meal for a low-calorie diet. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.